Hello programmers, this is MJ and in this video we are going to discuss about the data type conversion, and in previous video we discussed about the variables and I give you some little bit task. In this video first we solve the previous task and then we will move on our current topic which is data conversion. Open your Visual Studio Code and type the file name assignment.py. In previous task we mentioned there the two variables username and password, and now we typing the username variable and assign its values mj, and now password variable and assign its value, and let's print these values of variable. Okay, this is our output, simple output. Create another file for our current topic, data type conversion. Type some variables and assign them a specific value like language Python in version 3.9 and topic data type conversion and number 1 2 3 4 5. Assign these values to variables and print them the original values, and print these values of variables, and then we will convert them in another data type like integer. Convert can be in float and float can be converted in integer. Converting data one data type to another data type is called data type conversion. So this is our output of the original values of variables, and now we are going to convert them in another data type like language is a string data type, so we are going to convert the string data type to list data type. Float to enter and also string to tuple. This is our converted values given below, which we convert in another type of data. String converted in a list. Float is converted in int. Okay, let's type some message to understand easily what type, which data is converted and which data is original. Okay, this is our converted data in another form. Let's type some message with every type converted data type like string to list conversion and float to the integer conversion and string to tuple conversion and int to float conversion. Okay, so you can write a message if you are already understand that this is easy, then it's okay. For this message I am showing for beginners, that beginners can easily understand how data is going to convert. Okay, this is our error, missing comma. Okay. Now our output is readable, which data is converted with another. Okay, this is task for you. Write a program, define 4 variables and convert its values into other data types. It's the code you can send me in comment section, or you can text me.